All right, welcome back to Working the Yard with Will. So I'm up in the Japanese garden doing a little testing of the irrigation system. This is something that I plugged up a while ago. Now I just need to get everything routed, checked again before I bury it. So starting here, this goes down my tree line there. On the back side, I got a bunch of Leland cypresses on that line. And then I have a multitude of other lines. I try to color code them when I first put them in. So see, I got a red line here. I got a gray line and I got a blue line, and now I'm just kind of just walking it back all the way down the line. It goes down throughout the garden and figure out what's watering what, add some more lines or some more drip lines or connections to what I have existing, and I'm going to try to finish it up here, if not today, within the next couple of days, because the weather's definitely warm and hand watering is for the birds. So if you got something automated, why not use it? So stay tuned. Working Yard with Will.